If you wanna share your PC screen live on Facebook, then this video is surely made for you. Therefore, to do so, at first we need to log in to our Facebook page or Facebook profile. Then we'll click on live video. Then press go live. Then press streaming software. Then we'll have a default stream key. Copy this password and skip this phase for now. To share PC screen live on Facebook, we need to take help of a third-party apps, which is called OBS Studio. I will give link in my description box. We'll select plus icon of scene after entering into OBS Studio. Then press OK. Then select source. Press display capture. Press OK. Then go to settings. Press stream. Select service, which is Facebook Live default server. Now paste your stream key, which you have copied before. Then press apply. Press OK. Now start streaming. You will explore a green signal, which means your PC screen is being started to broadcast live on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching this video. You now can see the proof that your PC screen is being broadcasting live.